morning. Welcome to the K. Shepherd Elementary newscast.
Today is Thursday, March 23rd, 2023.
Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated.
Today's weather: high of 81, low of 55, cloudy, 40% chance of rain.
Today's lunch is a deli sub, tots, chips, milk, and juice.
Today's birthdays: Adeline Martin and Kalia Goodwin. Happy birthday!
Today's announcements. ACAP summative. Testing continues today. We know our second and third grade scholars have set some awesome goals for their ACAP scores, and we are cheering them on to do their very best. Today's late duty is Ms. Moore.
Important dates: March 27th, report cards go home. March 30th, first grade field trip. April 7th is third quarter honor walk. April 14th, Kona Ice and spring picnic. That's all for today's news. Have a thankful Thursday.